Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Dyno Day. I'm so excited. It's been a long time since I got the water methanol kit installed. I'm here at Casper's Performance Edge in Westville, New Jersey. We've been waiting a little while to get a nice cool day to actually do this. So I'm real excited to introduce Tommy to the channel. He's been pretty much doing all the work on my car since the day I bought it. So excited about that. We threw some 110 race gas in there as well. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Tommy's been in the racing world his whole entire life. He's got trophies and plaques everywhere. When it comes to racing and tuning, he knows what he's doing. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, I have Tom Casper here. He did pretty much all the work on my car right behind me. And I just want to introduce him to the channel. And I'm going to let Tom introduce himself and talk a little bit about how he's been in the racing community his entire life.
I'm the owner-operator, Casper Performance Edge. I've been racing cars, pretty much street racing since I was 17. Got done street racing, took it to the track, raised my kids at the track. Went through several ranks of racing, bracket racing. Now I currently race Outlaw 10.5 and Heads Up Series. And pretty much just, I enjoy what I do.
And you're real good at it.
I try.
Well, you built quite a machine here, Tom. You want to tell us a little bit about what you did on this car?
Jude came to us and wanted some kind of power adder. So I recommended twin turbos because they are basically probably the best bang for your buck. And after talking to him a few times, he wanted to go that route, and we pretty much steered him to the Hellion twin turbo kit, which was good drivability every day because he does a lot of traveling, air conditioning, everything. It's mild mannered, and there's no bottles to fill, no belts to fly off. You know, it's just kind of like it's what I choose in my own race car.
Awesome.
So, you know,
awesome.
You're taking wasted power and turning energy into it.
So why did you recommend a twin turbo kit versus a supercharger?
Well, for the reason is no belt. I feel it's better drivability.
Can you tell us what you're going to do on the car today?
Basically just going to get some horsepower numbers and data log it and find out where we are with our fuel system to see if the car is asking for more, we need to add more fuel. Because we still are on a stock fuel system with 96-pound injectors. So I want to raise the bar on the tune, but I don't want to raise it to where we hurt the car. So the car's going to ask for something, and we're going to find out what it's asking for. I
awesome.
do want to eventually make 1,000 horsepower on a show with this car.
Well, that's our goal.
Yeah.
That's our goal, and we have a lot of modifications planned on this car still. We're only running 55mm turbos right now. We may go to 66mm turbos in the future,
Yep.
and turn it up that way. But we're going to see what it does today. So we'll see. That was just straight spring only, no boost controller, no water methanol. And that's something that always has to come with Dyno Day. Some pizza at 7 pounds. So what are we putting out?
You're 6.8, 7 pounds.
All right, so it's right on the money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Good.
5,200 RPM, 7 pounds of boost, 11.0 on the air fuel, and we made 450 horse
To the wheels.
to the wheels and 440 pounds of torque. That's uncorrected.
Awesome. Okay, guys, we're gonna set it to boost group 1. That's gonna tell us. First off, that's pretty much my street setting that I use when I'm just kind of cruising around. If I want to keep a pretty aggressive setting on the car with the water methanol. So we're going to try that and see what kind of numbers, if they shake out to be accurate from what the boost controller is telling us to what the data logger is telling us. Going for hole number 2. So, remember, yeah, I watched it,
Hear it, and that was 11 pounds of boost. And then in 4th, 12, almost 13 pounds of boost. I'm 10.4 on the air fuel. I looked at that boost number, came up so fast, I was like, holy shit. Okay. Well, I rolled out of the throttle, so you see the boost go away?
Yeah.
Well, it's just the momentum of the engine still wanting to carry. Because the roller, the drum on the Dyno.
Yep.
So it took it to 6,200, but I was not at 13 pounds of boost.
Right.
I was at 11. So the most boost it made, I was in it at 5,300.
We're running out of time, so we're really only data logging tonight. We're really not tuning anything, but we're gonna have to come back for round 2. So let's see what she does on the second boost group, what kind of numbers we're making, and how safe we are. Well,
My eyes are burning. Fumes.
in the first setting, looks like we made 660 horsepower to the wheels. We're gonna try something else. We're gonna see what the horsepower difference is with the cutoffs open versus the cutoffs being closed. That last run the cutoffs were closed. So we're gonna try the cutoffs open and see if we gain any horsepower or if we lose any horsepower. So let's see what happens. It's gonna be loud. That was just in 3rd gear, right? Guys, I'm gonna come out here where it's not quite as loud in there. Clearly, the last 2 pulls that we did, the cutoffs open clearly made more horsepower, which is kind of what we expected. Guys, we're gonna do one last pull here and then get out of here for tonight. But we're gonna switch over to the second boost group. See what we're gonna do. 742 horsepower to the wheels, 676 max torque, but the torque management came on even after we overrode it from the car. So the torque management actually came on.
That's after we held the button on, we put in drag pack.
Right.
On the track, we hold down for 8 seconds.
Yep.
Advanced track came on, we started, it's disabled. And when I made the shift, it came on,
yep.
You heard it.
Yep.
Alright, and then you heard it let it go again.
Yep.
Because it obviously thought we were done spinning.
Right.
So you heard the RPM kind of come down,
Yep.
come back up. We're done.
Well, that's it. Thank you to Tom for taking us through tonight. Anything you want to end with?
Well, it's proven reliability.
Yeah.
You know, this combination, we weren't on the hood playing with belts.
Yeah.
You know, you're driving here, you're driving home. Turbos are so dependable, they don't ask for nothing.
Yeah.
You know, you just give them what they want. They want fuel, and that's what we came here tonight. But
awesome.
It just proves that diesel trucks have turbos. Ford has taken a totally different turn now. All their cars are EcoBoost. Turbo's the way of the future.
Yeah.
So we're just on board early.
Yeah.
And you're driving home.
That's right. Hey guys, I want to finish off with showing you the light package on this car. I know I said I'd do a review of this, but this is kind of what it looks like at night. Guys, that wraps up tonight's video. Please remember to subscribe and like this video. And I do have the Conquest review coming soon. We had a lot of rain here over the last couple days, so I had to put that off for a little bit, but I am gonna get back to that and finish that. And I will announce the winner for the trivia that we had on the last video as well. So take care, and I'll see you on the next video.